If you are new here, my name is Kate. If you are not new, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Monday, April 4th. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and today is gonna be a reset day for me because I didn't get a chance to do any of the stuff that I'm going to do today yesterday because I slept over my mom's this weekend and we spent some time together. Zach also slept over and we just had a nice time. So we're gonna get after it. We're gonna do reset things. Like I have to wash my bed, clean up the apartment, do laundry, dishes, all of that fun stuff. Just wanted to start off the vlog and say good morning. And I had some breakfast this morning. I've been trying to not have the same thing for breakfast every day because I've been having a bagel with peanut butter for like 2 weeks in a row. It's just like I crave that in the morning when I wake up, is a bagel with peanut butter. So this morning I forced myself to have something different. I made eggs and then a piece of sourdough bread with peanut butter, a little bit of Nutella, and some banana with honey and cacao nibs, and it was really good. And I think that's gonna be like my new favorite thing because I'm trying to get over my fear of bananas. I don't know if you've been following my channel for a while, but I used to like despise bananas and not be able to eat them unless they were like in a smoothie or like a smoothie bowl or something. So I'm trying to like branch out and not eat the same thing every single day. So that was my breakfast this morning. I did a little bit of journaling. Just wanted to start off the vlog and say good morning. So I just changed into my workout outfit. I'm gonna be working out in the apartment this morning. I've been really liking going to the gym here because it just like gets me out of here, and also I've been using heavier weights down at the gym, which is really nice. But I decided I'm just gonna work out in here this morning. So I'm just wearing this Lululemon sports bra. I think it's the Ebb to Street bra or something like that. It's so comfortable. This is like one of my favorite sports bras. And then of course my Aritzia TNA butter leggings, as well as my Adidas Swift runs. I have my weights, and my workout this morning is going to be a 20-minute upper body strength. I might do a 10-minute one after this, but I'm just gonna do this one for right now. So I'm done with my workout now. Me and Zach just went to our little favorite coffee shop and I got a nice chai. It's so good there. I honestly kind of like it better than Starbucks chai, but I just got a chai. He got a little decaf iced coffee, and I'm still in my workout clothes because he has to go to a meeting at his work soon. So we just wanted to go on like a little chai and iced coffee date before he leaves. He's about to take a shower, so I'm gonna take a shower after him so he can jump in and get ready. But I'm just so happy. I love my little chai. Just got out of the shower. I feel so fresh and so clean. I'm just gonna brush my hair, and I like need to get my hair cut soon. It's getting so long, but I don't know. I just like am loving my hair this length, and I haven't had it this long like probably since I was like 5 years old. Like my hair has always been like mid-length. I like it. I feel like it looks cute and it's easier to just like throw it in a claw clip. But I definitely need to get it trimmed soon because I'm getting a bunch of dead ends. It's so funny. I usually get my hair cut like every 3 to 4 months, maybe even 5. I just like really don't keep up with my hair. Like I don't dye it or anything. Like this is my natural hair color. I used to have ombre and I used to do stuff like that for a little bit, but it's all grown out now. So this is my natural virgin hair, and I don't think I would ever color it again because I just like my hair color so much and it's nice and healthy. Like I never use heat on it ever, and I just want to keep it that way. So I don't think I would ever color it again. I also think today is gonna be a no makeup day. I want to try to do that like at least once or twice a week because I feel like it's just important to let our skin breathe, and I used to do that a lot and my skin was like really good. And also I figured out like why I was breaking out on my hairline, because I was saying in a couple vlogs that I was getting like little breakouts and like bumps on my forehead, and so I tested it out. I was like, maybe it's the new bronzer that I got. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette, and I feel like ever since I started using this, that's when my forehead started to break out a little bit. So I cleaned off my bronzing brush and I went back to using my OYS bronzer because I used to use this before I got this one, and I feel like my skin is already clearing up. Like I don't know if you can tell right now, but like I don't have any bumps and the pimples that were like on my hairline are starting to go away. So I think I cracked the code, and I'm pretty sure that's what caused the like little flare up I was having. I don't know if any of you had that bronzer, and if you had that problem, let me know because I would love to see if that's what was the reason. But yeah, it was so weird. Like I was getting these weird bumps and like random pimples on my hairline that I would like never get. So I'm pretty sure it was from that. But it's already 10 o'clock. We're having like a little bit of a slow morning this morning just because I had to wait for Zach to shower and get ready because he has like a meeting at work or something. But since I'm not putting on makeup today, I think I'm gonna do a face mask. And you already know I love these face masks so much. They're by the brand Loops. They're so fun, and if you don't have them, you seriously need to buy a pack. I always have them linked down below because they're just so much fun. And I think I'm going to do maybe this one because it sounds like it's for the morning. This one is called Sunrise Service. Sometimes I have trouble putting them on because I am like rough with them and I just break them, but let's see if we can do it without it breaking today. It's so slimy. I also feel like my face is just like too small for these sheet masks. Like I feel like my face is abnormally tiny. Like I feel like everyone else who I've seen use these, it like actually fits their face, and mine is just like on my hair. Like it's literally on my hair. I don't know if you can see. Top half done. They're just so fun, as you can tell. Like I just love them. And I have 2 more left. I'm gonna order more because I just love them. I have this one, it's called Double Take, and then this one is called Clean Slate. So these are my favorite masks of all time. I will link them down below. So while I have my face mask sitting on my face, I'm going to plan out my week. I just have this planner that is from Amazon, and I basically just like to write down what I have to do this week and plan my content and just work stuff and everything like that. So I just love this planner because obviously it's not July, but it just has like a lot of space to write everything down, and I don't know, it's just like my favorite planner. So I'm just gonna do some planning and answer some emails while I just have on my face mask. Back in the bathroom, I'm gonna take off my face mask and do my skincare for the day. I always like to rub in the extra serum that was on the mask too, because it just feels so good. Also gonna put on my funny croissant headband to get my hair out of my face. So I'm gonna start and do my toner. I use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Feels really nice. I just take it on a little cotton pad. I feel like I've shown my morning skincare before, but I honestly don't remember. I feel like I just repeat myself sometimes, and it's like hard to keep track of like what I show you and what I don't because I'm just like always filming stuff. But I love this toner. It just feels so nice and soothing, and my skin is so sensitive. So if you have sensitive skin, definitely recommend these products. Next, I go in with my rose oil infused serum. This is my favorite serum. It's so good. It just feels so nice. I just take it on my hand. I also like put everything on my neck too, just because that's what I've always been told to do, is everything that you put on your face, put on your neck. So that's just what I do. Then for my moisturizer today, my skin has been so dry, and it's just like the weather. It's been cold, and I don't know like what's going on. It's literally April and it's still kind of cold here, so I'm gonna put on my Summer Fridays jet lag mask for some extra moisture, thanks to Christina. She got me this for Christmas and I'm just obsessed with it. So I'm just gonna take it and put it all over my skin as like a moisturizer. And it's so funny, when she gave that to me, I've always wanted the jet lag mask, but I like didn't know how to use it. And I think I've said this before, but I thought you could literally only use it on a plane. I don't know why. That's just like what I thought everybody did, but it's like so versatile. Like I use it under my eyes sometimes when my under eyes are dry, and I use it as a moisturizer. Like it's just so good. So I love that. And then my last step for my morning skincare is my sunscreen. I use the Eucerin Daily Protection SPF 30. I get this on Amazon, and I just really like this sunscreen. Most crucial step, I put it on every single day no matter what the weather is, and I like to put it on my neck. And then because I'm not wearing makeup today, I'm just gonna put on some brow gel so my brows stay in place, as well as curl my eyelashes, because I don't know, I feel like it just gives me a little boost in my face when I'm not wearing makeup. So I have this new Refi brow gel, which I've showed before, and this is my first time actually using it on my brows with no like brown pencil or anything. So I'm just gonna take off the excess because it is white, and I don't like white all over my brows. It does dry clear, but I don't really need this much, so I just like doing this when I don't have any makeup on, because it kind of looks like I'm wearing mascara, but just curled my lashes. So I tricked you. And then lastly, can't forget chapstick. I have this Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. I get this from Sephora. I love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. So that is my morning skincare. We're going makeup list today because I want to try to do it like once or twice a week, just to keep my skin in check and let her breathe so she stays nice and clear. So I'm gonna make a smoothie right now. It's almost 12 o'clock, but I'm not like in the mood for lunch food. I'll probably have lunch, like a late lunch at like 2 or something, but I'm just like feeling a smoothie, and I'm not gonna be making my infamous green smoothie. Like I said at the beginning of this vlog, I'm trying to like branch out and make myself not eat the same things all the time. So I'm gonna do like a triple berry and banana smoothie. So I'm gonna throw in some spinach too for some extra greens. I have frozen blueberries, frozen raspberries, frozen blackberries, frozen banana. I also have some vanilla protein powder. I'm gonna throw in some almond butter in there so it's not like extremely fruity. So I have that. And then for my liquid, I'm gonna use some almond milk and coconut milk. This is like an almond milk and coconut milk blend, and when I put this in my eggs this morning, because I like to throw in some milk with my eggs, they literally tasted like coconut, and I was like, oh my god, this is so weird. But this is the only thing that I have because that's all they had at the grocery store when I picked it up was almond and coconut. So this is gonna be my smoothie. Do a taste test. The color is very pretty. Really good. I feel like if I didn't put the almond butter, it would have been too sweet, but so yummy. I also threw on some coconut and cacao nibs because those are like my favorite smoothie toppings. But I'm gonna drink my smoothie, do a little bit of more work. I've just been on my laptop. I also made the bed because the laundry was finished, and I've just been answering some emails. I just edited some videos for TikTok and Instagram. So I'm gonna drink my smoothie. Hi vlog, it's actually the next day. I just realized that I didn't end off the vlog, so I'm gonna end it off right here. I hope you enjoyed this little productive morning in my life. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Everything will be linked down below, and thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.